Shopping for the best cordless car vacuum on Amazon? These 5 picks tackle crumbs, pet hair, tight gaps, and everyday messes. But one offers the strongest all-around package for drivers. And if something catches your eye, I've linked every product in the description below. Starting the countdown at number 5, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster QuickClean HNVC 215B10 keeps things simple for everyday car cleanup. It is cordless, rechargeable, lightweight, and designed for quick messes in both the car and home. The built-in crevice tool helps reach between seats and into tight corners, while the transparent dirt bowl lets you see when it needs emptying. Both the filter and dirt bowl are washable, and the included wall mount gives you a convenient place to store and charge it. One limitation is that Amazon does not list a numeric suction rating or runtime for this model, so comparison shoppers get fewer performance details. If you want a straightforward cordless vacuum from a familiar brand, check the link below. Coming in at number 4, the KMM LT161 Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner combines 10,000 PA suction with a 120-watt motor for dirt, dust, sand, debris, and pet hair. Its cordless design is especially useful around seat gaps, carpets, keyboards, and other places where a full-size vacuum is awkward. The built-in 5200 mAh battery charges through Type-C in about 3 hours with up to 30 minutes of listed runtime. It also works as an air duster and includes 6 accessories for crevices, brushing, blowing, inflation, and vacuum bag air removal. At just 1.04 pounds, it is easy to keep in the car. Its 10,000 PA rating is lower than some picks ahead overall. For current details and availability, use the Amazon product link below today. Taking the 3rd spot, the MONOZEL VC026 is a 2-in-1 cordless car vacuum and air duster built around a 130-watt brushless motor. Amazon lists 2 suction levels, 9,000 PA in Eco mode and up to 18,000 PA in Max mode, giving you flexibility for lighter dust or tougher debris. The 7,800 mAh battery supports Type-C charging and is listed to recharge in roughly 2.5 to 3 hours. Useful extras include an LED light, multiple cleaning nozzles, extension tools, inflatable nozzles, a washable reusable HEPA filter, and a 0.26-liter dust cup. It weighs 1.4 pounds, making it heavier than some compact picks here overall. If that combination fits your car cleaning routine, you can compare current pricing through the product link below. At number 2, the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum is the premium option for drivers who care most about deep cleaning and tool quality. Amazon lists 115 air watts, 2 power modes, and up to 50 minutes of fade-free suction in low mode with a non-motorized tool, with runtime varying by use. The mini motorized tool is designed for fabric and pet hair, while the combination tool handles wider surfaces and gentle dusting. A crevice tool reaches narrow spaces, and Dyson says its whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns under its stated test conditions. It is cordless and intended for cars, boats, and home use. If premium performance matters, check current price and availability below. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Fanttik Slim V10 Apex, a car-focused cordless vacuum that balances suction, portability, useful tools, and everyday convenience. Its 120-watt brushless motor delivers up to 19,000 PA suction, with 2 modes for different cleanup jobs. Low mode is listed for up to 30 minutes, while high-speed mode runs up to 15 minutes on a full charge. The smart digital display shows battery status and selected mode, so you can monitor it while cleaning. It also works as a vacuum, blower, inflator, and vacuum sealer, and includes 10 accessories for tight gaps, pet hair, and other tasks. At 1.1 pounds, it is easy to store in a vehicle. Check the Amazon link below for details. All 5 Amazon product links are in the description below. Check current prices and availability before choosing. For more practical automotive product comparisons, subscribe to Auto Review Lab and keep exploring.